Hello everyone, welcome to Droid Lover channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then tap on about phone. Now in here tap on software information and then you need to find the build number. Here you can see build number, and once you find it, all you have to do is tap on it 7 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then enter your PIN or password and then tap on done. And as you can see, it says developer mode has been enabled. Now if we go back, at the bottom here you can see developer options. Now to disable it, all you have to do is enter your settings app again and then go to the bottom and then tap on developer options, and then from here you can disable developer options by just tapping on this radio button here. And that is how you can enable or disable developer options or developer mode in your Samsung Galaxy A24 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.